Most people spend 3 months building a Skool community and make $0. I made $45,000 in 11 days. I didn't have courses built, I didn't have funnels, nothing. And the difference isn't luck, it's that they're building the wrong thing first. Most people think they need months of prep, a perfect product, and a massive audience before they can launch. So they wait, and while they're waiting, their competitor launches and takes the market. That belief is flat out costing you thousands right now. Now, 3 non-negotiable steps separate the people making $10,000 a month from the people still planning. And most people do 2 steps perfectly and still make 0 money because they completely ignore the 3rd one. When I show you what it is later in the video, you're going to realize why so many people don't make it. So step number 1 is picking your transformation based on pain, not perfection. I know you're sitting there thinking, you need to invent something new. You don't. Start with pain because it's the easiest path. You've lived through real transformation yourself, right? You lost probably 50 pounds, you quit your corporate job, you overcame anxiety. That's your niche because you've already walked the path. Here's a real life example. I've seen Hormozy talk about it. A powerlifting group with 13 members where everyone posted daily workout videos. The creator wasn't a coach, just someone solving their own training problem alongside others. Small group, massive value, and people would have paid for it actually. That could be you in 30 days. If pain doesn't fit, you've got passion or profession. Now, passion means you've spent thousands of hours obsessing over something, and profession means you're already getting paid for a skill. Just package that into a community offer. Now, whichever path you pick, here's how you know it's the right one. The transformation test. Ask yourself, have I personally achieved this result? Can I point to someone else who has? If yes to both, you're ready to charge. And here's what you do. Fill in the blanks. I help X people achieve Y outcome. If you can't, pick a different niche. Step 2 is building the skeleton community in under 2 hours. This is where most people overthink and overbuild. Not you, hopefully. You only need 4 tabs. You need announcements, general discussion, wins, and gems. As the name suggests, keep announcements from getting buried. Wins create social proof. Gems let you drop value without it disappearing in chat noise. You don't need 10 courses and 50 modules. You need 3 things. A starter here course, a vault with content you've already created or you're going to create later, and a book a core link. That's how you monetize. That's your MVP classroom right there. 3 courses. Use Canva and make your cover image in 10 minutes. Keep it simple. Step 3 is setting 1 weekly call and nothing else. Remember what I said at the start? Most people nail the first 2 steps and still make 0 money. This is why. They think more calls equals more value. It doesn't. Daily calls lower perceived value. Your members can't make them all, so they feel like they're missing out. Plus, you burn out yourself. The biggest paid communities on Skool run on 1 call per week. So 1 recurring Q&A per week. Pick a time, stick to it, and show up every week. Let your community ask questions and learn from each other's answers. You're just the moderator. This scales your impact without scaling your time. That's the framework. Pick your transformation, build the skeleton, set 1 call. You can launch this in a weekend. But launching isn't the same as making money, right? So let's talk about how you turn this into cash flow. Now you've got a launchable community. Launch with 3 founding members, not 300. 3 active engaged members beats 300 inactive ones every single day. You could start with $99 a month for early access. That's low enough to feel like a deal and high enough to filter for serious people. You're not selling them a finished product. You're selling them the opportunity to shape what you build. Once you hit 10 members, price goes to $199. Once you hit 50, it's $299 and so on and so forth. Here's the math. 3 members at $99 a month is $297 recurring. Get 3 more next week, you're at $594. By week 4, you're at $1,188 monthly recurring revenue. Money that keeps coming in whether you're working or sleeping. Now the question is, how do you find your first 3 members? Well, start with your warm audience. People who already follow you. People in your phone contacts, for example. I know it feels awkward reaching out. Do it anyway. If that gets you 1 or 2 people, pin a comment with your Skool link or your existing content. YouTube videos, Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, whatever. If you're still short, join other Skool communities where your avatar hangs out and add value. Show up, help people, and they'll check out your profile. Last resort, find 50 people on LinkedIn who match your niche. Send personalized invites and you'll convert at least 10 to 20% into members. I just walked you through how to charge from day one, but here's the counterintuitive part. Start free, not paid. I know you want to monetize immediately, but starting free makes more money long term. You want to make more money long term, right? It's strategic because it lets you figure out what your members actually want before you start charging them for it. Then when you change to paid, you're not going to be guessing. You're selling something people already want. Here's when you change to paid. Maybe when you reach 200 to 300 members with 200 to 300 daily interactions or daily activities. I'm talking about combination of posts, comments, reactions, etc. Engagement matters more than size. If you've got 200 people engaging every day, you've got proof of value and you're ready to charge. Create a waitlist for your pay tier while keeping the free community as your lead generation engine. Keeps growing and funnels warm leads into your paid offer. You don't need a sales page. Your about page with 3 images and I help X with Y converts at 25% anyway or higher if you've built engagements first. If your first 3 members aren't engaging, you've got a positioning problem. So go back and refine your transformation. Ask them directly, what would make this valuable to you? And their answer is your roadmap. So that's the system. 3 steps to launch, 1 call per week, monetize from day one. And here's what you need to do. Commit to 90 days. I know 30 days feels like forever when you're starting at 3 members. I know you're wondering if this is even working. Most people quit right there because they haven't seen real traction yet. But things really start to take off around day 90. By day 90, you'll have 20 to 30 people who believe in you, 20 to 30 people who are paying you, 20 to 30 people who show up every week because they trust what you're building. That's not just a number. That is literally real momentum. You're really progressing here. But more importantly, you'll have the data to know exactly what your paid offer should be. That's the real win here. You stop guessing and you start knowing. The people making $10,000 a month with Skool didn't start with a perfect plan. They started scared. They started with 3 people and no idea it would work, but they showed up anyway, and now they wake up to money they didn't have to trade their time for. And if you want the full breakdown of how to scale to $10,000 a month, join my free community. I'm sharing the weekly content templates, the exact offer structure I use to hit $45,000 in 11 days, and the member management system that keeps churn below 5%. Join and become part of the people who stopped planning and started launching. Click the link below in the description. I'll see you in the next one.